Breaking news from News 8. There has been a tape bandit on the loose. Remember to lock your doors and windows. And do not garden, please. Because gardening is not fun. I just love gardening. All day long, every day, all day. Oh no! Oh no, I love my nose! Oh! Goodness! Whoa! Okay then. He's attacked an innocent gardener that we have here to interview. So tell us, what happened when he came? What did he do?
I was gardening all day, and I saw this creepy man, a man person, and he had some knife, and he had this shirt, and then, oh no, he's here again. Save yourself, save yourself.
That's a good thing. It's not like I'm a superhero, so. We'll be right back with the next thing.
Jail. Give me your hand, soldier.
We are
What's your name?
Manny Man and Girly Girl.
What's your name? Wow, we've got a weird personality today.
Breaking news, we got him! And we are back. As we saw the couple superheroes, and they saved us. That was a great day. And yes, we did put on a campaign for the glasses, yes.
Hello!
And
I got the first on!
let's hope no. The heroes are very innocent. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. That was a fun video. Bye.